CNC Lathe Coordinate System. In this course, we will learn the CNC Lathe Coordinate System. There are X and Z axes in the two-dimensional coordinate system used in the CNC lathe. The X-axis is perpendicular to the workpiece and the Z-axis is parallel to the spindle centerline. While working on the lathe, the cutting tool is removed material from the workpiece in two dimensions, diameter and length.
X Kartezyen koordinat sistemi. Bu koordinat sisteminde Z ekseni yatay ve X ekseni dikey konumdadır. Orijin noktası, X ve Z eksenlerinin kesiştiği noktadadır. Ekranda grafik üzerinde de görüleceği üzere bu noktada X ve Z eksenleri değeri sıfırdır. İş parçası sıfır noktasından aynaya ve iş parçası merkezine doğru yapılan hareketler eksi Z ve eksi X değer olarak tanımlanır.
XZ Cartesian Coordinate System. In this coordinate system, the Z-axis is horizontal and the X-axis is vertical. The origin x0 and z0 is at the intersection of the X and Z axis. Cutting tool movements from the workpiece 0 point to the chuck are defined as -c and the movements from the workpiece center to the outer diameter are defined as +x. Machine 0 point, known as M. The feed axis in along and transverse directions build the machine coordinate system. The machine 0 point is given by the manufacturer and normally lies on the spindle axis at the back side of the chuck. Multi-axis lathe machine. More complex parts can be manufactured, particularly parts with curved holes. Standard CNC lathes basically consist of two axes, X and Z. C-axis. In addition to the standard two-axis turning features, the spindle can position itself at certain angles is the C-axis. In a lathe, the 0 point of the Y-axis is located on the rotation axis of the part. The tool's direction of movement shows that the mill is moving from Y negative to Y positive. Y-axis is used to mill or drill features that are off the center axis of the primary turned part. The ability of the spindle to which the live milling cutter is attached to move angularly at the same time in the lathe with C and Y-axis features is expressed as B-axis turning. Rather than take a turned part to a second machine tool when it needs a slot milled or a hole drilled, lathes equipped with live tools can do simple milling, drilling, and tapping, right on the turning center. Absolute coordinate system. This is the method in which all dimensions are taken according to the workpiece 0 point. Position coordinate values, target point, of cutting tool to X and Z coordinate values are given according to workpiece 0 point. In this coordinate system, the axial displacement distances of the cutting tool are given relative to the 0 point of the workpiece. Although this coordinate system is preferred for programming simple parts, it is not recommended for use in complex workpieces. This is because of the constant computations. As it is known, every calculation to be made in CNC program writing causes programming errors. Write the X and Z values according to the absolute coordinate system for the workpiece whose dimensions are given in the picture. Incremental coordinate system. In incremental systems, every measurement refers to a previously dimensioned position, point to point. Incremental dimensions are the distances between two adjacent points. The last point of the cutter is accepted as the 0 point of the workpiece. In the incremental coordinate system, the coordinate position on the x-axis is programmed with the letter U, and the coordinate position on the z-axis is programmed with the letter W. The U value is the movement of the cutting tool on the diameter.
Resim üzerinde P0 ve P5 ile gösterilen noktaların konumlarını mutlak ve artışlı koordinat sistemine göre belirleyelim. P1 ile P2 noktaları arasında 5 milimetrelik bir pah vardır. Bu değer tam çapta 10 milimetre yapar. Bu nedenle P1 çap değeri 30 milimetredir. P1 noktasının mutlak sisteme göre X değeri 30, Z değeri ise 0'dır. P1 noktasının artışlı sisteme göre ise X eksenindeki değer 30, Z eksenindeki değer ise 0'dır. P2 noktasının mutlak sisteme göre X değeri 40, Z değeri ise eksi 5'tir. P2 noktasının artışlı sisteme göre ise X eksenindeki değer 10, Z eksenindeki değer ise eksi 5'tir.
The x
P3
value of the
noktasının
P3
mutlak
point
sisteme
according to
göre
the
x
absolute
değeri
system
40,
is
z
40 and
değeri
the z
ise
value
eksi
is
30'dur.
minus 30. According to
P3
the incremental
noktasının
system of
artışlı
the
sisteme
P2
göre
point,
ise
the
x
value on the
eksenindeki değer
x-axis is
0,
0,
z
and the value
eksenindeki
on the
değer ise
z-axis
eksi
is minus
25'tir.
25. The x
P4
value of the
noktasının
P4
mutlak
point
sisteme
according to
göre
the
x
absolute
değeri
system is
60,
60
z
and the
değeri
z
ise
value
eksi
is minus
30'dur.
30. According to the
P4
incremental
noktasının
system of the
artışlı
P4
sisteme göre
point, the
ise
value on
x
the
eksenindeki
x-axis
değer
is 20
20,
and the
z
value on the
eksenindeki değer
z-axis
ise
is 0.
0'dır.
According to the
Burada
absolute
ise
system,
P5
the x
noktasının
value of
mutlak
the
sisteme
P5
göre
point is
x değeri
80, and
80,
the z
z
value
değeri
is
ise
minus
eksi
40.
40'tır.
According to the incremental
Aynı
system of
noktanın
the
artışlı
P5 point,
sisteme
the
göre
value
ise
on the
x
x-axis is
eksenindeki değer
20,
20,
and the
z
value on the
eksenindeki değer
z-axis is
ise
minus
eksi
10.
10'dur.
Let's determine the positions of the points indicated by P0 and P6 in the figure according to the absolute and incremental coordinate system. Compare the values you noted on the previous page with the values given in the table. If your results are wrong, please repeat the lesson.